What's the meaning of closeness? Closeness. Closeness.
Closeness. Closeness. Closeness refers to the degree of nearness or proximity between two or more entities. It is often used to describe physical distance, emotional attachment, or social connection. In the context of interpersonal relationships, closeness can refer to a sense of intimacy and trust, while in the field of graph theory it is often used to measure the centrality of nodes within a network. Overall, closeness is a concept that encompasses a range of different meanings, but at its core it represents the degree of proximity and connectivity between various entities or individuals.